So I have a lot of women in my DM, like just DM me all kinds of stuff, right? And even in my comments for a lot of my videos. And thanks to all y'all who are commenting on my videos, I really appreciate it. Whether you hate it or love it, right? I appreciate it. For those of you guys who like the videos, they hit the thumbs up. I appreciate it. And those, the 99% of the women who are just absolutely killing me on social media, yo, I appreciate it. It at least lets me know that, you know what, I'm hitting a trigger point, right? And I'm about to hit some more trigger points in a minute. So check this out. Ladies, I have figured out why men do not want to marry or get involved with 40-year-olds or more. It's simply this, right? Once a woman has money at her disposal, she basically looks at that man that she's dating as being disposable. It's really that simple. I have tons of DMs and tons of comments on my page, on my videos, where women always say it's always the same thing. Well, I make my own money, so I don't need no man, right? I always get this in my DMs, right? You know, and it's always insult, shame, and need to be right. No matter how much you tell these women, they're not trying to listen. So what men are looking at is simply this, right? Well, if you don't need us, then we're just not going to date you. And we also know that if you're 40 years old and above, as a matter of fact, if you're like 38 years old and above, we already know that you're hard, right? You've already made your money, and men are basically disposable to you. And bye bye.